This is the Anachronist Zero Pass Strap. Start by taking your watch with both spring bars attached and use your fork tip spring bar tool to remove the top spring bar from the watch. Then take your strap and put the buckle side up over top of the crystal of the watch while pulling the strap underneath the watch. Insert the spring bar back into the top lug section, and now that strap cannot come out whether you pull it forwards or backwards thanks to the Anachronist Zero Pass Strap hardware. Then take your tail and slide it between the case and spring bar on the other side of the watch, creating this loop here for your wrist to go into. Insert your hand through the loop and onto your wrist, grabbing the tail to pull the strap tight. Then pull the tail back through the first hardware piece until you eventually meet the buckle, pull it to the desired fit, and then go ahead and buckle it up like you would a standard male strap. Overall, it creates a snugger fit to the wrist where the watch is sitting up against your wrist rather than having that extra piece of nylon between the watch head and your wrist itself, making the watch lay flatter and an overall more comfortable package.